Hey guys, today we're going to be putting on a triple R composite front splitter for the Fiesta ST. This is my 2016 Fiesta. Let's get it. My splitter, so the first step of the process is we're going to need to get the car off the ground. To make my life easier, I plan on using these clamps when I put the splitter in the fitment to hold it up while I do the drilling process. So what you're going to need next is a 7mm socket. You're going to be taking off the plastic trim over here on the exterior side of the car, and it reaches underneath through the car. So this is the piece that we needed to take out. It wound up being 3 bolts, one here, one on the back side over here, and one on the back over here. It's pretty easy. Now that you have these 2 pieces taken out, you can go ahead and start mounting. So the mounting process that I took is I lined it up. The clamp here, put one clamp here on the edge. See, you should have room now that you took those pieces off. And you start making it flush. I used 2 extra jack stands for the middle, that way they were more flush. I didn't want to use the clamps on top of the paint. That's the reason I did that. So to finish your TRC splitter, you're going to have to drill 6 holes. I used a 15x64 drill bit. It's fairly easy. First bolt is sitting over here, second bolt here, and the third bolt here. There's also a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here.